Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's start today's video engine. The Porsche 718 Spyder is likely to be powered by a high-performance engine, potentially a naturally aspirated flat-six engine. Expect impressive power output and exhilarating performance characteristics with a focus on responsive throttle response and a thrilling exhaust note. Transmission. The 718 Spyder may offer a manual transmission option, providing enthusiasts with the opportunity for a more engaging driving experience. Porsche's renowned PDK dual-clutch automatic transmission may also be available, offering lightning-fast gear changes for optimal performance. Performance. With its lightweight construction and balanced chassis, the 718 Spyder is expected to deliver exceptional handling and agility, both on the track and on winding roads. Performance-oriented suspension tuning, precise steering, and advanced aerodynamics contribute to the car's dynamic capabilities. Convertible roof. The 718 Spyder typically features a convertible soft-top roof that can be operated manually or electronically, allowing for open-air driving enjoyment. The roof design is optimized for minimal weight and compact stowage, preserving the car's performance and aesthetics. Interior comfort and technology. The cabin of the 718 Spyder is likely to offer a combination of luxury and sportiness, with supportive seats, premium materials, and driver-focused design elements. Advanced technology features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, navigation, and smartphone integration, e.g., Apple CarPlay, Android Auto may be included. Driver assistance and safety features. While the 718 Spyder is primarily focused on performance driving, Porsche typically equips its vehicles with advanced safety and driver assistance features. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and parking sensors may be available to enhance safety and convenience. Customization options. Porsche offers extensive customization options for its vehicles, allowing customers to personalize their 718 Spyder to suit their preferences. Options may include various exterior colors, wheel designs, interior trims, seat configurations, and performance upgrades. Limited production and exclusive features. The Porsche 718 Spyder is often produced in limited numbers, adding to its exclusivity and desirability among enthusiasts. Porsche may offer special edition models or unique features to commemorate significant milestones or events, further enhancing the car's appeal. Track-ready performance package. Porsche may offer a track-focused performance package for the 718 Spyder, featuring upgrades such as carbon ceramic brakes, lightweight components, and adjustable suspension settings for enhanced performance on the track. For the most accurate and detailed information on the 2024 Porsche 718 Spyder, including specific features, specifications, and availability, I recommend contacting Porsche directly or visiting their official website closer to the release date.